Digni podo kwa chenro mar chuogo put madhi yiero commissioners manyien mag duol matayo yiere pacho ka IEBC. Digni makama obiro kaluwore gi buche ma pod yware e doho mar ng'eyo ng'ama dhi chung' e lo riwruog Azimio la Umoja One Kenya Alliance. Dr. Augustus Chalo Muli ma National Liberal Party mayande oyier gi jokanyo mag Azimio kendo ma doho puodho kaka jakanyo apudno pod omakne kendo bura e doho ka kweth motelne gi duond bura mar Wiper kwedo yiero mare. Ten National Liberal Party wacho ni ok gimor gi kaka ji moko manok keto tich bedo matek kendo miyo Kenya ok nyal dhi nyime mar bedo gi duol mar yiero.
They want a commission that they are going to control. And we are saying as political parties, and we are saying as National Liberal Party, that we want an IEBC that is answerable and accountable to the people of Kenya. We do not want an IEBC that will be accountable and answerable to few political leaders. We do not understand why they do not want to uphold the rule of law, despite the fact that even the court upheld the victory of Dr. Augustus Chalo Muli. We are asking President William Ruto, you cannot be a president where people are violating other people's constitutional rights and you cannot call them out.
What is happening here? Are we trying to recreate the situation of 2022 where we had a divided commission, IEBC commission? Is that what we're trying to do this time? Azimio has a big role to play in this. Azimio must let the will of the majority rule.